Okay, it's not July, it's August 9th, and the house has a roof, or had a roof, now it's got shingles. Just got done today, and painted, and our metal eyebrows will be coming in soon. We'll have them across there and across there. Amy's cousin Kurt was out here this week and built at least the concrete part of the pillars. These will all be wrapped in stone, and then some decorative beams going up, and then the decorative beams up in the eaves, and some of that is over there on the ground. You can see all of our electrical has been run, and so inside you'll see stuff poking out everywhere. Doorbell. So yeah, all electrical is in. Insulation is in. At least the walls and this ceiling. They still need to do the insulation up in the attic, but I'm kind of glad they haven't, because I'm going to run some Cat 5 cable this weekend for our internet. Lon has built a little knee wall for our island. We have gone through the house, and Amy and the kids and Aunt Julie got to write verses all over the house. Very cool. Let's see, anything new in here? Don't think so. All the plumbing's in. You can see the attic fans are installed. You can see, let's see how well you can see it. There's the Grindel's house. The nice thing is that we're looking at the side of it, so it's not as big. It's kind of a narrower, long house, side to side, so we're getting the side profile. Beautiful day out there. You can see all the wiring for all the lights. Everything's in. Lots of light switches. There's a master bedroom. Sconces and light switches. I don't know if there's anything new in here. Closet. Bathroom. Oh, they just put that in today, the base for our shower. Got some drywall. They've been dropping that off. Garage is all insulated. Downstairs. Some reverses. They're everywhere. Down here, everything's boxed in for drywall. All the insulation is done down here. Last weekend, Todd and I ran some speaker wire for the future projector screen. Ran a HDMI through that tube down to there so that we can hook that up someday. Yeah, so just lots of the innards have been put in. More verses. We did do one small change and moved Karsten's door frame up about 1.5 feet. So this hallway is even smaller, so that his door, when it swings open, it does not open into the entrance to his closet. So that was a nice catch by Lon. Karsten got to write the verses in his room here, and Maya did them in her room. Yeah. Kids tub. We'll go out back real quick. Yeah, it's definitely coming along. Hopefully next week we'll get drywall put in and finish up insulation. All right, that's it.